Okay, good afternoon. For this video, I'll be discussing traffic law enforcement. Basically, this is about common traffic violations and courses of action. So let us start. We have violations committed under Republic Act 4136, and that's Land Transportation Code of the Philippines. You have the so-called TOP, or the Temporary Operator's Permit. Now, who usually issue this one? It's used in the enforcement traffic management measures under DOTC Memorandum Circular number 93-693 under special laws by. So usually, the agency that will issue this one is the Land Transportation Office, or the LTO. Okay? Another deputized officer, no? Mga deputized officers. And it is considered as the temporary driver's license within the jurisdiction of suing agency in the Philippines for a period of 72 hours or 3 days. So if you are issued TOP, you need to pay within 72 hours so that you can get your license back and you can drive. Because this is a temporary license, driver's license. Okay? But that is only good for 3 days lang, 72 hours lang. So, of course, this is issued by LTO. And this is example of Temporary Operator's Permit, TOP. Okay, TOP. Now, you have also violations committed under jurisdiction of the Metro Manila Development Authority, or MMDA. And this is what we call Traffic Violation Receipt, or the TVR. No? It's used enforcement of traffic management measure under MMDA Traffic Ordinances and other special law by MMDA, Traffic Operations Center. Now, it is considered also as temporary driver's license within jurisdiction of the issuing agency, that is Metropolitan Manila, for a period of 72 hours upon its issuances. Okay, so if the issuing agency is MMDA, it is usually called Traffic Violations Receipt, TVR. Okay, TVR. And again, it's still valid for 72 hours. And yeah, we have the example of TVR, Traffic Violation Receipt, no? TVR. Then you have also violation committed under jurisdiction of local government unit, LGU. So these are usually ordinances, no? And that is why in Mindanao you have the MITCOM, I think, no? MITCOM sa Cebu City, you have the CTOM, no? Ordinance Violation Receipt ang issue nila. Is used in the enforcement of traffic management measures under city or municipal ordinances. So, if the violation is city or municipal ordinance, usually the one is issued is Ordinance Violation Receipt. Okay? And this is valid for 5 days. Okay? So, this is different. 5 days naman doon. No? So, I think, yeah, this one. No? CTOM, and usually, issue na is OVR, or Ordinance Violation Receipt. Now, you have the so-called traffic citation. What is this traffic citation? Traffic citation is having a violator appear in court without physical arrest. Actually, sa traffic citation, you are citing the traffic violator, but not physically arresting him, but requiring him to appear in court. Okay, the issuance of citation is the most common enforcement action by the police. No? And if you are fond of YouTube, you have your Frank Carpio, the chief judge of Providence. And usually, no, sa mga videos niya, i-forgo traffic violations, no, mga traffic violations. So that is traffic citation. So what are common traffic violations? Well, of course, number one, driving without first securing proper license. Driving without license, that's one. Driving with delinquent, invalid, suspended, and ineffectual or revoked license. You revoke the license, you already revoked, but you are still driving. Failure to show or surrender license. Failure to carry driver's license. Even if you have driver's license and you fail to carry it, that's still violation. Okay? Driving and the influence of liquor or prohibited drugs. We have separate law on this. This is now amended. We have separate law, which we'll discuss in our next modules. Allowing unlicensed or properly licensed person to drive. Okay? You have motor vehicle and you allow someone to drive your motor vehicle. Fake license. Allow another person to use license. You allow another person to use your license. student driver operating a motor vehicle without accompanied by duly licensed driver. Because if your license is student permit, you need a back rider who is a professional or who is a who is a holder of a valid driver's license. It could be professional or non-professional. Unregistered motor vehicle, certificate of registration or especially not carried. You failed to carry the ORCR of the motor vehicle. Invalid, suspended, revoked, expired CR, certificate of registration. Plates not firmly attached or visible. Dirty or uncared for plates. So, yung plate number natin, kailangan hindi dirty yan. Inconspicuous display of plates. License plates different from the number. Ba yung license plate number? Improper display of plates. Expired commemorative plates. Illegal transfer of plates. Violation relative to parts, accessories, device, and parties of motor vehicle. Dirty and slightly dilapidated motor vehicle. Okay, dirty pala yung motor vehicle. You can be cited for that. No? Failure to paint or improperly paint authorized route or painting of unauthorized route. Unauthorized improvised plates. Unauthorized bell. No body number. No early warning device. No capacity marking. Overloading. Out of line. Colorum. Okay. Colorum, the operators, colorum, so employing insolent, they courteous, arrogant driver conduct. So, maraming nagkakalito, yung arrogant yung driver, discourteous yung driver, nag-away yung driver, saka yung traffic yung enforcer. Refusal to convey passenger, ito, very common ito, refusal to convey passenger. If you are a jeep or a bus and you refuse to convey, then you can be liable. Overcharging, undercharging, passenger, no? Pacquiao system. No franchise or pay carried, fake license, fake ORCR, prohibited parking, allowing passenger on top or cover of the vehicle, no? Arrogance and discourteous, disregarding traffic light, reckless driving, driving sleepers, sleeveless shirt, okay? Driving or parking in place not for traffic parking, illegal turn, traffic against driving against the traffic, or counterflowing, illegal overtaking, you take to the right, overtaking at no overtaking zone, and obstructions, and there are still many more. Now, the kinds of defective driver's license. So you have there invalid driver's license means that the driver holding the license is inappropriate to operate a motor vehicle. Fake, no? Ito, this is a JMA, star to si Migo Adiser. No? He was using a fake license, and that is invalid driver's license. No? If you're using fake driver's license. And suspended driver's license means that license is temporarily out of service for a period of times due to traffic violation. So, example, LTO suspend 3,000 errant drivers for 90 days. Why? LTO Intelligence Division Chief Marta Morales said that around 80 to 90% of over 12,000 license holders were bus drivers flying EDSA. Among them, common violations were swerving out of yellow lane, reckless driving, disregarding traffic signs, and obstructing the road. So these are common violation, traffic violation. That's why their licenses were suspended. Because LTO has 3-strike policy. If you violated traffic rules for 3 times in a year, then your license may be suspended. Then you have also revoke. Okay, when you say revoke, canceled the license. Okay, means that the license has been fully canceled. Okay, canceled and it cannot be reinstated. So, very example is the case of Maria Isabel Lopez, a former beauty queen, and nag-pose siya, dumaan siya sa ASEAN lane, no? A lane intended for ASEAN dignitaries. Then, because of that, his license was revoked. Binawian ng lisensya at pinagmulta. And the multa dito is more or less 8,000 or 80,000, I think. Then you have kinds of traffic enforcement action. You have traffic arrest. Is enforcement action which consists of taking a person into custody for a purpose, holding or detaining him to answer a charge or law violation before a court. So traffic arrest, from the word arrest, no? Taking a person into custody. But you can only arrest a person for traffic violation if the crime is serious and there is necessity to avoid continued violation and reasonable doubt that violator will not appear in court. So, usually, reckless imprudence resulting in homicide, physical injury, you need to arrest them, no, because that is something serious. Traffic citations made having violator appear in court without physical arrest. So, I think we have discussed this one. You are giving only citation ticket and you are required to appear in court. Traffic warning, okay? Enforcement action which does not contemplate possible assessment or penalty. So, wala bayad. This is only warning, no? So, we have visual warning, usually used when you have observed a minor violation but are importantly occupied at the moment. So, kung minor lang yung violation, visual warning lang. Enforcer. Verbal warning is a form of safety education. Verbal. If you are fan of YouTube also, you have their Kernel Bolsita. Usually gives verbal warning. Okay? Next time, iyo ha. Then you have written warning, combination of verbal warning and citation. They give the spirit of verbal warning and the form of citation because it is written and the symbols are citation. So written warning. But again, there is no pay for that. So I think that's it. That's it for this video. We will discuss more in more videos. Thank you.